Hello, hello, my wonderful Spry Seniors family. Welcome back to our cozy corner of the internet, where we believe your golden years should be your healthiest years. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Now, I have a question for you. When you prick your finger and see that number, maybe it's 140, maybe it's 200, what do you imagine is happening inside you? Most of us think of sugar as just fuel, or maybe excess calories. But if you could shrink down to the size of a cell and travel through your own bloodstream, what would you see? Here is the truth, and I say this not to scare you, but to empower you. When blood sugar stays high, it doesn't just sit there. It interacts with every single organ, every nerve ending, and every vessel in your beautiful body. Today, we are going to demystify diabetes and the body. We're going to look at the silent changes happening right now. But hold on, because the ending of this story is up to you. The body is a miracle of healing, and by the end of this video, I'm going to give you the exact tools to help it repair itself. So, grab your tea, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Let's start with the bloodstream. Imagine your blood is like a river. In a healthy body, it flows like this water fast, efficient, delivering oxygen everywhere. But when you have type 2 diabetes, that excess glucose turns your river into syrup, like this honey. But stickiness isn't the only problem. I want you to visualize excess sugar crystals, not as soft puffs of cotton candy, but as microscopic shards of glass. We call this the sugar glass effect. Your body, being the amazing protector it is, tries to fix these scratches. How? By patching them up with plaque and cholesterol. It's like putting a bandage on a cut, but over time, too many bandages make the tunnel narrower and stiffer. This is why diabetes and high blood pressure often go hand in hand, like unwanted cousins. It sounds intense, right? But understanding this is the first step to stopping it. Because when you lower that sugar, you stop the scratching. It is that simple. Now, let's see where this river leads first. First stop, the eyes. The blood vessels in your retina are some of the tiniest in your entire body. Remember that syrup we talked about? Imagine trying to push thick honey through a straw the size of a hair. When the sugar-heavy blood can't get through, those tiny vessels can weaken or leak. This is why things might look a bit blurry sometimes. It's not just old age. Folks, it's your eyes asking for better circulation. Now, let's travel all the way down to your feet. The nerves here are the longest in your body. They are like electrical wires carrying messages to your brain. High sugar attacks the protective coating of these wires, like stripping the insulation off a cable. Have you ever felt that tingling? Or maybe a numbness where you can't quite feel the carpet under your toes? That is your nerves, short-circuiting. It's a warning sign. But here is the empowering part. Nerves heal slowly, but they can heal. Improved blood flow brings the nutrients needed to repair that insulation. Movement is medicine here. Let's talk about the engine room, your heart. Remember the sticky blood and the narrow vessels? Well, your heart has to work overtime to pump that thick fluid through those narrow pipes. It's like asking a car to drive uphill in the mud. And right next door are your kidneys, your body's filtration plant. Normally, they filter waste and keep the good stuff. But when there's too much sugar, the kidneys panic. They try to dump the sugar into your urine to save you. That's why you might be running to the bathroom constantly. Think of your kidneys like a coffee filter. If you pour thick syrup through it all day, the filter gets clogged and damaged. But listen to me closely. Your organs are incredibly resilient. If we lighten the load, we reduce the amount of sugar they have to filter, they can breathe a sigh of relief. We can preserve the function you have left and often improve it. Now, this is the part that surprises most people, and it's something we need to talk about more in our Spry Seniors community. Your brain. You might have heard the term type 3 diabetes. It's not an official medical diagnosis yet, but researchers use it to describe the link between insulin resistance and memory loss. Your brain is an energy hog. It uses 20% of your body's fuel, but with insulin resistance, your brain cells act like they are starving. Even when there is plenty of sugar in the blood, they just can't absorb it properly. That senior moment where you forget where you put the keys, or that brain fog in the afternoon. Sometimes, it's not aging. It's your brain running on empty. The beauty of stabilizing your blood sugar is that often the fog lifts. Your focus comes back. You feel sharp again. Imagine getting your memory back just by changing what's on your plate. Okay, we've seen the damage. We've faced the reality. Now, let's flip the script. How do we help our body heal? I'm not going to ask you to run a marathon or eat only kale. We are Spry Seniors. We do things smart, not hard. Step 1. Dilute the syrup. Hydration is the cheapest medicine. Before you eat anything, drink a tall glass of water. It helps your kidneys flush out that excess sugar and thins the blood immediately. Simple, right? Step 2. Don't let your carbs run naked. Never eat a carbohydrate alone. If you want an apple, eat it with a handful of walnuts. If you want toast, put an egg on it. Protein and healthy fats slow down the digestion, preventing that glass shard spike we talked about. No spikes, no scratches. Step 3. The 10-minute magic. You don't need a gym, just move for 10 minutes after dinner. Wash the dishes, walk the dog, or just march in place while watching Jeopardy. This forces your muscles to suck up that sugar from your blood immediately for energy, bypassing the need for huge amounts of insulin. My friends, your body is always listening to you. It is forgiving. Even if you've had high blood sugar for years, every positive choice you make today sends a signal of healing to your eyes, your heart, and your nerves. You are not defined by your diagnosis. You are defined by what you do next. If you found this journey inside the body helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps other seniors find us. And tell me in the comments, which of the 3 steps in the U-turn plan are you going to try today? I read every single comment. Stay active, stay happy, and stay spry. I'll see you in the next video.